Decluttering toys.
What are the toys that we can give to other kids?
Juliana, Julian, Juliet, Ada.
No, and the kids that don't have toys. Can we give this
Yeah.
to other kids?
Yeah.
No more playing block? Are you sure?
Yeah.
So what else? How about Bumblebee?
Oh.
No, it's okay if you don't want. How about this one?
Yeah.
Do you want? We can give it to other kids.
No.
Then I will bring this to the thrift store.
No.
No. How about this one?
That's hungry?
That's the truck.
Yeah.
You can give it to other kids.
Yeah. We did that.
No more playing this. What else? How about the Spider-Man?
Yeah.
You can give it to other kids.
Yeah. And the Spider-Man.
And the Spider-Man.
Spider-Man toy.
How about this one?
No.
No?
Hi.
Is that a yes or no?
No.
No, we skip it.
And then you get to us.
How about that truck?
Yeah.
You can give it to other kids.
Yeah. The car they not come here, but they have cars.
We can give that to other kids.
No.
How about this one?
Yeah.
Let's think again. How about this truck, the big one?
No.
No?
Stop.
How about this truck?
Yeah.
We can give this to other kids.
Yeah. Not yet.
Do you want to give that to other kids?
No.
No?
Not yet.
This one, we can give this to other kids.
Yeah. And Spider-Man.
And the Spider-Man.
Yeah. Playing people.
How about the shark? No? How about the push cart? No? This one, no? This one will stay here? Okay.
I already cleaned a truck. I already cleaned the one.
You want to play that?
Yeah, but they don't have cars. They don't have this. Oh, this. We didn't have this. No, you ain't having it.
This one will stay here?
No,